Example 3 is asking us to find the average rate of change, the y-intercept, and sketch the line 5x plus 2y equals 4. Well, the easiest way to find the rate of change, or the slope, is to change the form. So this is where it is good to know alternate forms. Change it out of that general linear form into a form where you can better identify slope. So I just subtracted 5x from both sides, and then finally divide everything through by 2, and I get y to be negative 5 over 2x. 4 divided by 2 is, of course, 2. From here now, I can easily identify the rate of change. The rate of change, or slope, equals negative 5 over 2. Part B wants me to identify the y-intercept. Well, once again, now that it's in this form, it's very easy to identify the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 2. And the third and final part, sketch the graph. Well, I'm going to go to, in general linear form, if you can get a couple of nice looking intercepts, you can use the intercept method to graph this, and it's not the end of the world, but I don't want to have to figure out where 4/5 is for the intercept. So instead, I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to use the fact that 2 is the y-intercept, and I'm going to go up 2, and then I'm going to go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right to 1, 2, here it is, and there is my line. Shazam. Simple enough. Example 4, write an equation for the line through this point that's parallel to L and then perpendicular to L, where L is the line y equals 5. All right. Well, y equals 5 is a horizontal line, and you might want to think about what that would look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A horizontal line would look like this. And point -1, 6 would be like here. So if you have to write the equation of a line through this dot that's parallel to this orange line, it's going to be another horizontal line. So this horizontal line is going to have equation, so part A, the parallel, will also be horizontal, and it will have equation y equals 6. So yes, when you write the equation of a line, you need a point, you need a slope, but when you have a horizontal line, you only need the y-intercept, which is 6. Now to write the equation of the line that is through this same point, but now it needs to be perpendicular. Well, perpendicular is going to be a vertical line. And the perpendicular, and that will be a vertical line, and vertical lines have equation x equals, and x in this case would equal -1.